What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XRP. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, guys. XRP sitting at $2.55 with a recent high yesterday of $2.90 on Coinbase, at least. Beautiful. Beautiful move overall, considering that just a month ago, you were literally worth 48 cents, and everybody was laughing at you, calling any person who invested in XRP stupid, and you're wrong. How's holding XRP while every other coin's moving up, you're just moving down and being boring, right? Vindicated, validated. I hope every person who's been holding XRP, not just for the past month, not just for the past months, but the past years, I hope all of you guys are basking in the absolute magnificence of this move. Congratulations, bravo. You deserve a pat on the back. Good job. But now it's time to talk about the things that nobody wants to talk about, which is the very real possibility that you might have a pullback here. And of course you would. Of course you would. It makes a lot of sense. You moved up, 283% last month, up another 30% this month already, with an overall growth from the open to the high of 470% in about a month and 3 days time. That's a very magnificent move. Very, very magnificent move, but you can't move up in a straight line forever, right? Even this thing, whenever it does basically move up in a straight line forever, it does have pullbacks along the way, right? Here on this month, you moved up 284%. Just like this month here, you moved up 283% right here. The following month, you grew 143, but before you grew 143%, you pulled back. We go back. This is April of 2017. Let's go back. April 2017 was back, or February, March. This is April right here. So before you continued moving higher, you pulled back first. In 1 week, you pulled back 44%. I'm sorry, 64%. 1 week you did that, right? You look at the monthly, it looks like you're just moving straight up over here, right? But you pulled back 64% in 1 week here. So I'm not saying I expect that for XRP now. I think I don't think it's going to do that, but I do think it'll have a little pullback. Right here, you are previous areas of resistance, current all-time highs, previous all-time highs, whatever you want to look at it. You just broke above this trend here. You had your breakout move. Now it's time for a pullback. You're very overbought on the monthly RSI, very, very overbought on the weekly RSI, and of course, very overbought on the daily RSI as well. Right? You have a double top in the RSI. It looks like you're losing momentum a little bit. Let's look at something with a little bit of volume. Volume's dying off as you're moving up. To be fair, though, this volume is kind of nice. You gained a little bit of volume. Overall, it dropped, but you could maybe move up a little bit more. It's possible. But I think one way or another, whether you move up a little bit more, you consolidate, or you move down immediately, you're going to move down inevitably, right? Very, very soon. So if we're looking at this from a high to a low, this right here, this fib would actually give reason to believe that you do move up just a little bit more. And you could, right? We've established that that's acceptable. You could move just a little bit higher, maybe move all the way up to like 330, 340, maybe even a little bit above that before you really start to turn around. But sometimes you do get these moves where you don't reach the 1272. You don't reach this expected area of extensions. You fall just short of it, and then you pull back to your 786 or even down to your 61869 area. How far of a drop would that be, though? I mean, I would say that's impossible, but 64%, we've actually already seen that. And that would be the maximum based on the fibs that I would say you could pull back to. So maybe a 64% pullback, at least from the current price, isn't as far-fetched as I thought it would be. But I don't expect that to happen. I would think more so you find support at the 886 or the 100 level, something like a 21% to a 37, 38% pullback from here. Regardless of if it starts now or if you move up a little bit first, if you move up basically a whole dollar higher from where you are now first and then you move down, I don't think anybody has any business buying XRP at these prices, right? If you buy here, then what you should be looking to do is selling here, right? A short-term play. If you're looking to sell up here or higher, you're looking to sell up here at $4 or higher, you could buy here, sure, but why not wait probably like a week or two and be down 20% in the price or more from the current price? I would just wait. I'd be patient. All that to say, I think XRP has a beautiful future coming. I think that it's going to be It's going to be a phenomenal cycle, right? This is the first of many legacy coins that has broken out of its multi-cycle consolidation phase and looks like it's on its way to seeing new all-time highs. I very much do believe by the end of this cycle, XRP will be worth more than $10. How high it goes, I don't know. How high it goes, I don't know. But if you want to buy it, again, I think it's, if you want to buy it, just be prepared for a drawback. That's okay. Or be prepared to take profits in a short amount of time because it's probably going to move up just a little bit and then move down. If not, just move down immediately. But if you were looking to buy it, like, maybe some people out there are looking to buy it, I would say wait at least from the current price, wait at least for a 20% drawback, which would probably take you, let's see. And that would take you right around $2. At least $2.05 or lower. That would be when I would say it's a green light to buy. I'm very, very liberal when it comes to giving out these green lights to buy at the top. So whenever I say it's not a green light for me to buy it here, I really mean that. I very much do believe you'll probably pull back and find support. If not around $2, $2.05, you could pull all the way back down to like $1.65. You're at $2.55 now. So I don't think it's a good time to buy. I think it's a good time to wait. Probably a good time to take profits, but none of that's financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys what my opinions are based off of what I'm seeing in the charts. And that's all I got. Again, XRP might move up a little bit more. It makes a lot of sense being that your all-time high is right there at 355, and then from this high to this low, your last cycle high to your bear cycle lows you just had, that first extended target, the 1272, is right there at your all-time highs. So it makes sense that you could find resistance in this area, and being that you have a resistance point at the all-time high and another resistance point at the 1272, you could also see a little front running, right? A little front selling. There could be so much selling that you don't see that. So don't count on this area to happen. But if it does, that's a real blessing to sell because you probably will at that point see prices that are not only below where we are now, but probably below $2 even in time. So, but also in time, XRP will likely be above $10. I think you have a real chance of seeing $15 or more. $32 is on the table, but I don't think you see that high. I mean, what's XRP's market cap right now? 100 billion, right? Come on, CoinGecko. Let's see here. XRP, 145 billion. My mistake. Forgive me, please. That's phenomenal. Good job. I'm not used to this in UXRP. This was like back in the beginning of crypto for me, man. Not quite, but I mean, like even a year in, that's pretty close to the beginning. $100 billion right now, $140 billion, CF5. I could see it, man. I really could see you seeing a $15 price. You're talking about over $1 trillion market cap anytime you get to like $24 or more. So I don't know, like $23 or more. So maybe I could see $15 to $23, but much past 23, I don't know if I see that. Definitely above $10 by the end of the cycle. If that sounds good to you, if you want to catch that move, you want to be a part of the XRP army, you want to catch that move, maybe wait. And when I say wait, I don't mean let the move go up to $3.40 like it possibly could, and then buy there because it pumped a whole like another 80 cents. No, don't do that. If you're planning on waiting, just wait. Just wait. It'll come back. It'll give you opportunity. Nothing moves up, not even XRP. Nothing moves up in a straight line forever. And that's all I got to say. Don't be scared. Be prepared. There's nothing wrong with a little volatility, right? It's got higher to go. If I was holding XRP, like if I bought it down here, I would not be thinking of selling here. I would happily expect it to go up a little bit more, or happily expect it to go down, whatever. I would wait for this correction, and if anything, I would buy more. I wouldn't be selling here. One, because it's the end of the year. Why would I want to pay taxes on it within the next 5 months? Two, if it's got prices that are at least guaranteed to $10 or more, like why would I sell it here? You know what I mean? Especially if I got a solid buy below 70 cents, why would I sell it here? So again, this is not a video saying I think XRP is garbage and it's going to zero. This is not a video saying this is the holy grail and it's going to the moon. It's just a video saying if you want to buy it, probably not a good time to buy it now. If you've just bought it, or if you're looking to sell it, it might be a good time to sell, or just expect a pullback and don't shit yourself on the pullback. Don't sell on the pullback. Sell it here or don't sell at all. If you're thinking about selling, it's at 255. You're thinking about selling. You wake up and it's below $2 now. Now you've missed your chance to sell. You don't sell. Okay? You just wait. You buy more, you just wait. All right. I hope that's all clear. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.